Today I am going to discuss UGC NET December 2025 Computer Science and Applications Important Questions and Answers. I am Dr. Ramkrishna Ghosh. I qualified in GATE 2007 on paper IT with score 438 and All India rank 180. I qualified in UGC NET and WB SET in December 2023. Today our first question. If module X and Y operate on the same input and output, the cohesion is option 1 logical cohesion, option 2 sequential cohesion, option 3 positival cohesion, option 4 communicational cohesion. Cohesion actually how strongly the elements within a module are interrelated. Or coupling is a measure of the interdependence, measure of the interconnections among modules. High cohesion and low coupling is the goal of software engineering. So, if modules X and Y operate on the same input and output, the cohesion is communicational cohesion. Option 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following UML diagrams has a static view? It came in UGCNet June 2020. Option 1 collaboration diagram, option 2 use case diagram, option 3 state chart diagram, option 4 activity diagram. UML Unified Modeling Language is a visual language. It is used for specifying, visualizing, and documenting the artifacts of software system as well as non-software systems. So option 2 is the correct answer. Use case diagram. Use case diagram is actually a interaction between the user and the system. So option 2 will be the correct answer. Dirty bit is used to show it came in UGCNet December 2018. Option 1 page with corrupted data. Option 2 page that is modified after being loaded into cache memory. Option 3 page with low frequency occurrence. Option 4 wrong page. Dirty bit is used to show the page that is modified after being loaded into cache memory. Option 2 is the correct answer. Identify the circumstances under which preemptive CPU scheduling is used. There are two types of CPU scheduling. One is preemptive, another one is non-preemptive. We know FCFS, SJF are non-preemptive CPU scheduling, whereas round robin is a preemptive CPU scheduling. Option A process switches from running state to ready state. Option B, a process switches from waiting state to ready state. Option C, a process completes its execution. Option D, a process switches from ready to waiting state. Choose the correct answer. Option A and B only. Option 1, A and B only. Option 2, A and D only. Option 3, C and D only. Option 4, A, B and C only. In preemptive CPU scheduling, a process switches from running state to ready state. This is correct. B, a process switches from waiting state to ready state. This is also correct. A process completes its execution. Not correct. A process switches from ready to waiting state. Not correct. So, option 1 is the correct answer. A and B only. Modifying software by restructuring is called option 1 adaptive maintenance, option 2 corrective maintenance, option 3 perfective maintenance, option 4 preventive maintenance. Question from software engineering. Correct answer will be option 3 perfective maintenance. Which of the following scenarios might have a high false negative cost? Option 1 viral disease outbreak, option 2 spam, option 3 mining, option 4 image search. Option 1 viral disease outbreak might have a high false negative cost. So option 1 is the correct answer. Which of the following interprocess communication model is used to exchange messages among cooperative processes? Number option 1 shared memory model. Option 2, message passing model. Option 3, shared memory and message passing model. Option 4, queues. It came in use in December 2019. Actually, shared memory is when memory is shared by two or more POSes. And message passing is a communication paradigm. Messages messages can be sent from one end to the other end. So, inter-process communication model is used to exchange messages among cooperative POSes. So, option 3 is the correct answer. Shared memory and passing model. Both are both are related to inter-process communication model. Consider the following learning algorithms. UGC NET, December 2019, it came. Option A, logistic regression. Option B, backpropagation. Option C, linear regression. Which of the following option represents classification algorithms? Option A and B only. Option B, A and C only. Option 3, B and C only. Option 4, A, B and C only. Option 1, A and B only. Logistic regression is used for classification algorithm used to classify categorical event like true or false. Our backpropagation is a training model used to optimize the weights of neural networks. Backpropagation is often used for classification tasks. Linear regression is used for regression tasks. So option A and B correct. So option 1 is the correct answer. A and B only. Which of the following is not typically provided by source code management software? Came in use in July 2018. Option 1, synchronization. Option 2, versioning and revision history. Option 3, syntax highlighting. Option 4, project forking. It is not used for synchronization, versioning and revision history, correct? Project forking, correct. So it is not typically provided by source code management software. Syntax highlighting. Option 3 is the correct answer. Coupling. Coupling is a measure of the strength of interconnections between software modules. Is a measure of the strength of interconnections between software modules. Which of the following are correct statements with respect to module coupling? P. Common coupling occurs when one module controls the flow of another module by passing it information on what to do. Common coupling actually occurs when modules share access to global variables such as a um, global variable or data structure. Common variable share access to. So this is not correct. In data coupling, the complete data structure is passed from one module to another through parameters. Correct? Stem coupling occurs when modules share a composite data structure. Stem coupling occurs when modules share a composite data structure and use only parts of it. Are also correct. Option P is not correct. Q correct. R correct. So option 1, P and Q only. Option 2, P and R only. Option 3, Q and R only. Option 4, all of P, Q and R. Option 3 is the correct answer. So today I am ending here. If you like our content, you will subscribe our YouTube channel. Drop in your valuable comments. You will get notified whenever we will upload more and more videos. Keep press on bell icon and share our content to your friends. Your support will be our inspiration. I always say I will come back very soon with updated videos and contents. Bye for today.